Yeah, perfect. Keep coming straight.
Hey guys, it's Rob with Mule Expedition Outfitters, and I'm excited to show you a new product that 4-Wheel Campers is now offering in their lineup. From an outside perspective, it looks very similar to the campers that we've come to know and love, with a few updates. It's really the inside where a lot of those changes have happened. Let's check out those features. Welcome to the inside of the CampOut. What you'll notice right off the bat is this camper has ultimate modularity in it. What I mean by that is each one of these modules can be added and configured to your liking, whether that be just the essentials or fully optioned out like this camper has. The interior build out of this camper is completely based on your budget, needs, or imagination. There's 40 different configurations that you can use for this camper, whether you're prioritizing seating, sinks, stoves, or fridges more. Most of these modules can also be added after the time of purchase, which makes building out this camper incredibly easy. Unique to all slide-in 4-wheel campers is their expandable bed, which can be slid out to become a queen-size bed or slid in to have full usage of your dinette. At the front of the camper is their seating module that offers an adjustable table and seats that have storage underneath them. Their water module is a unique blend of proven Dometic products with their own cabinetry, which allows for a simplistic and efficient water solution. Your primary source of water with their water module is multiple Dometic water jugs with an additional one down low as your gray water tank. For your galley needs is their fridge module, which offers a 55-liter Dometic fridge that is hard mounted, so it does stay in place while you're off-roading, as well as additional storage down low. Included standard is the power module. This power module has optional features like the Truma furnace, which is an incredibly warm and efficient furnace solution, as well as a secondary battery if your power needs exceed just the single lithium battery. You can also add a 2,000 watt power inverter if AC power is something that you're after. Also included standard is their utility module, which comes with internal storage as well as external storage if you do not order this with a propane configuration. If you do order it with a propane configuration, that storage will be taken up with two 10-pound tanks, which allows you to run two different stove configurations, whether that be propane or induction. That also allows you to order the camper with a Truma furnace. From an exterior perspective, the CampOut is very similar to a lot of the 4-wheel camper slide-in options with some new updates. One of the newest updates is the CampOut's logo, exterior lighting that comes standard with this camper, exterior power solutions for charging devices, running string lights, anything that you can imagine. And one of my favorite features that they've included standard now is the exterior L-track with a molle panel. This allows you to mount anything from winter sports gear, recovery gear, anything you can really imagine. Out of the vast range of available camper options, pricing for the CampOut finds itself near middle of the pack, starting out at $25,995 for both 5-foot and 6-foot bed options, and $26,995 for 8-foot bed options. This, combined with the weight of the camper starting below 1,000 pounds, gives wide versatility for use no matter what make or model truck you're driving. For additional information on CampOut build options, pricing, and specs, please visit our website or swing into any of our stores to learn more. We are incredibly excited to now be offering this camper for our customers. If you'd like to see one in person, stop by any of our locations where we will have displays of this. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Till next time.